Next, fifth one. Find the maximum value of log 3x plus 4y base 5 if x square plus y square is equal to 25 is dash. The maximum value of log 3x plus 4y base 5 if x square plus y square is equal to 25 is dash. Given circle. What is the equation of the given circle? Given circle is x square plus y square is equal to 25. Here center of the circle is 0, 0 and radius of the circle is 5 units. Now we find the maximum value of log of 3x plus 4y base 5. Okay, that means for getting base 5 is more than 1, it is increasing function. For getting maximum value 3x plus 4y, we find the maximum value of 3x plus 4y. If this value is maximum, log of this value base 5 is automatically maximum value. Okay, here what is xy? X comma y satisfies this circle. X comma y is the point on this circle. In parametric form, what is the equation of the circle? X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. By using the parametric form, it can be reduced into x is equal to r cos theta means 5 cos theta and y is equal to 5 sin theta, where theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Range of theta, theta is variable. Okay, now 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y is nothing but 3 into 5 cos theta. That means 15 cos theta plus 20 sin theta. 5 into 4 means 20 sin theta. Now it is in the form of a cos theta plus b sin theta. The range of a cos theta plus b sin theta is minus root over a square plus b square to minus root over a square plus b square to plus root over a square plus b square. It is the range of a cos theta plus b sin theta. That means root over 15 square plus 20 square means 225 plus 400 root 625. That means minus 25 to 25. The range of 3x plus 4y is minus 25 to 25. Okay. For getting maximum value of this value, 3x plus 4y is maximum. What is the maximum value of this function? 25. That means, therefore, maximum value of this value is equal to log of, maximum value of this function is 25 base 5. 25 means 5 square. That is equal to log 5 square base 5. That is equal to, the maximum value of this log of 3x plus 4y base 5 is 2. Okay. Next, sixth one. Sixth one. If alpha comma beta is a point on the circle whose center is an x-axis, and which touches the line x plus y is equal to 1 at 3 comma minus 2. Then the greatest value of alpha plus beta is dash. Here alpha beta is one of the point on the circle whose center lies on x-axis. Center lies on x-axis. That means, say this value is the center of the circle. Center lies on x-axis. That means one of the diameter is x-axis. One of the diameter is nothing but x-axis. What is the equation of the x-axis? Y is equal to 0. Okay. Here, which touches the line x plus y is equal to 1 at 3 comma minus 2. 3 comma minus 2 means in this way. 3 comma minus 2. One of the line touches this value. Say this line is x plus y is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to 1 touches at 3 comma minus 2. Okay. It is the diagram. Okay. Now we find the center of the circle. Now we find one of the point is alpha beta. For getting the circle equation, center must be required. Here, what is the radius? Radius is nothing but the distance from center to this point. If we find the center, then we get the equation of the circle. How we find the center of the circle? Here, one of the diameter is x-axis. That means y is equal to 0. We know that if P is the point of contact of a tangent, the line perpendicular to P, the line perpendicular to this tangent at P is nothing but normal. This must be passes through center of the circle. Here first we find, say this value is P. We find the normal equation through 3 comma minus 2. Okay. Here slope of the tangent is equal to minus 1. The slope of the tangent minus x coefficient by y coefficient means minus 1. Perpendicular slope is nothing but slope of this value is 1. Normal slope is 1. The point is 3 comma minus 2. By using slope point 5, we get the equation of this normal. This is one of the normal. This is the automatical diameter. By solving these two values, we get the center of the circle. Okay. Please note this point. P is equal to 3 comma minus 2. It is the point on the circle. X plus y minus 1 is equal to 0 is a tangent at P3 comma minus 2. Slope of the tangent is equal to minus 1. Perpendicular slope is equal to 1. Therefore, normal slope is equal to 1. Okay. The normal passes through the point 3 comma minus 2. Equation of the normal. Equation of the normal is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here m is equal to 1. x1 y1 is equal to point of contact is nothing but 3 comma minus 2. Y minus of minus y plus 2 is equal to 1 into x minus 3. Okay. X minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus, move this values to RHS. X minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. It is equation of the normal through P. But the diameter of the center of the circle lies on x-axis. That means equation of the x-axis y is equal to 0. By solving these two values, we get the center of the circle. By solving these two values, we get y is equal to 0 means x is equal to 5. Substitute this value in this equation, x is equal to 5. Therefore, center of the circle is equal to 5 comma 0. Radius is nothing but Cp. Cp is equal to distance between C and P. C is 5 comma 0. P is 3 comma minus 2. That means 5 minus 3 whole square means 4 plus 4. That is equal to root 8, 2 root 2. Radius of the circle is 2 root 2. Therefore, equation of the circle is x minus h whole square means x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 2 root 2 whole square means 8 or 2 root 2 whole square. It is the equation of the circle. Okay. Any doubt in this equation? It is the equation of the circle. It is in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now, alpha comma beta is any point on the circle, then we find the maximum value of alpha beta. In this case also, we convert the point into parametric form. What is the parametric form of this value? Say alpha beta is equal to h plus r cos theta gamma k plus r sin theta. What is the value of h? 5 plus radius of the circle is nothing but 2 root 2 cos theta. Okay, k means 0 plus 2 root 2 sin theta. It is alpha, it is beta. Now, we find the maximum value of alpha plus beta. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equal to 5 plus 2 root 2 cos theta plus 2 root 2 sin theta. That means 5 plus 2 root 2 is the common term, cos theta plus sin theta. Cos theta plus 2 root 2 cos theta plus 2 root 2 sin theta. For getting maximum value, find the range of cos theta plus sin theta. What is the range of cos theta plus sin theta? Minus root 2 to plus root 2. A cos theta plus b sin theta range is minus root over a square plus b square to plus root over a square plus b square. By using that formula, we find range of this value. Therefore, maximum value of alpha plus beta is 5 plus 2 root 2 into maximum value of this value. Maximum value of this value is mean root 2. Okay. Therefore, maximum value is equal to 5 plus 2 root 2 into root 2. That is equal to 5 plus, what is the value? 2 into 2 means 4. That is equal to 8. What is the minimum value? For getting minimum value, we take minimum value of this value. Minus root 2. 5 minus 4. That is equal to 1. Minimum value of alpha plus beta is 1. Maximum value of alpha plus beta is 9. Okay. Next. Seventh one. The chords of contact of the pair of tangents drawn to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1. The chords of contact of the pair of tangents drawn to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 from any point on the line 2x plus y is equal to 4. From any point on the line 2x plus y is equal to 4 passes through a fixed point whose coordinates are dash. Passes through a fixed point whose coordinates are dash. It is the given circle. It is the given circle. What is the center of the circle? 0, 0. Radius of the circle is equal to 1. Center of the circle is equal to 0, 0 and radius of the circle is equal to 1. Okay. Here the chords of contact of the pair of tangents are drawn from any drawn to the circle from any point on the line. What is the line? It is one of the line. What is this equation? 2x plus y is equal to 4. We take any one of the point on this line. For different values of points on this line, we get different chords. But all of these chords passes through a particular point. That means they are concurrent lines. Find the point of concurrency of that chord of contacts. Okay. Say one of the point P alpha comma beta is one of the point. Chord of contact is nothing but S1 is equal to 0. This equation is S1 is equal to 0. Now, let P alpha comma beta be the one of the point on this line. Let P alpha comma beta be any point on the line 2x plus y is equal to 4. That means 2 alpha plus beta is equal to 4. That means beta is equal to 4 minus 2 alpha. Now we find the relation between alpha and beta. It is equation number 1. First we find the relation between alpha and beta. Now the equation of the chord of P with respect to this circle is nothing but S1 is equal to 0. Now the equation of the chord of contact is S1 is equal to 0. What is the S1? Xx1 plus Yy1. Here GF values are 0. Xx1 plus Yy1 minus 1 is equal to 0. X1 Y1 is nothing but alpha beta. That means alpha x plus beta y minus 1 is equal to 0. But we know the relation between alpha and beta. What is the value of beta? Beta is equal to 4 minus 2 alpha. Substitute the value of beta as 4 minus 2 alpha. Okay. This equation can be reduced into alpha x plus beta means 4 minus 2 alpha into y minus 1 is equal to 0. That means alpha x plus 4y minus 2 alpha y minus 1 is equal to 0. Here 4y minus 1, you separate these terms, alpha terms and non-alpha terms. 4y minus 1 plus alpha of x minus 2y is equal to 0. Please observe this equation. It is in the form of L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. This chord of contact is in the form of L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. For different values of lambda, that means different values of alpha, we get different chord of contacts. But all of these chord of contacts passes through point of intersection of the lines L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0. The required value is we find the point of concurrency. That means all of these chords passes through a fixed point, means they are concurrent lines. Okay. Now we find the solution of these by solving these two lines, we get the point of concurrency. 4y minus 1 is equal to 0 is one of the line. That means y is equal to 1 by 4. It is L1. It is L2. By solving L1, L2, we get the point of concurrency. L1 is equal to 0 means 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1 by 4. Next second line, x minus 2y is equal to 0. That means substitute the value of y is equal to 1 by 4 in this equation. X is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, all of these chord of contacts must be passes through 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4. 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4. Very, 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 very important. Okay. Please note that point. Next, tangents from, next question, 8th one, tangents from P2 comma 3, tangents from P2 comma 3 to a circle C touches at capital A 1 comma 4 and capital B 3 comma 4. Then find first one, equation of the circle C. Second one, passage, circumcircle of triangle PAB. Third one, area of the triangle QAB, where Q is the center of the circle. Area of the triangle QAB, where Q is the center of the circle. Please observe this value. Say this is the given circle C. It is the circle C. Center of the circle is Q. Here Q is the center of the circle. P2 comma 3 tangents P2 comma 3 to a circle C touches at AB. Here P value is, what is the value of P? P is 2 comma 3. The tangents from P to this circle, say this value is PA is one of the point and PB is another point. A means A is the value 1 comma 4, B is the value 3 comma 4. It is the circle C. First we find the equation of the circle C. For getting the circle C, this equation, now we find the equation of this circle. Okay. For getting the circle equation, center and radius must be required. For getting the center, how we find the center? Here, PA is nothing but PA is one of the tangent. A is the point of contact. If the line perpendicular to this tangent and passes through A is nothing but normal, this normal always passes through center of the circle. Okay. Now we find the line which is perpendicular to PA and passing through A, that means normal through A. Similarly, we find the normal through B. It is also perpendicular to this and passing through B. These two normals must be passes through center. By solving these two values, we get the center of the circle. By solving these two values, we get the center of the circle. Okay. Now we find AQ equation, BQ equation. AQ is nothing but perpendicular normal passing through A. It is perpendicular to the line PA. Okay. Now slope of PA. PA slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 4 minus 3 by 1 minus 2. That is equal to 1 by minus 1. What is the perpendicular slope? Perpendicular slope is equal to, it is minus 1, perpendicular slope is equal to 1. That means AQ line slope, AQ slope is equal to 1. AQ must be passes through 1 comma 4. If slope and point are given, what is the equation of the line AQ? Equation of the line AQ is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That means y minus 4 is equal to 1 into x minus 1. Okay. X minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. It is equation number 1. Okay. Equation of the line AQ is x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Similarly, we find the equation of BQ. Here BQ is perpendicular to PB. PB slope. Now PB slope. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 4 minus 3 by 3 minus 2. That means 1 by 1. Okay. 1. Perpendicular slope means minus 1. Therefore, BQ slope is equal to minus 1. Slope of BQ is equal to minus 1. Okay. Next, equation of BQ. Equation of BQ is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here m is minus 1 and the point is 3 comma 4. Y minus 4 is equal to minus 1 into x minus 3. That implies y minus 4 is equal to minus x plus 3. That implies x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. It is equation number 2. Okay. It is equation number 2. By solving these two equations, we get center of the circle. By solving the two equations, we get the center of the circle. First equation is x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Second equation is x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. It is second equation. Okay. By solving these two values, 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. By substitute this value in equation 1, 2 minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. That implies y is equal to 5. Therefore, center of the circle C, that means Q is equal to 2 comma 5. Center of the circle is 2 comma 5. Okay. Center of the circle is 2 comma 5. Already center we find the value of C 2 comma 5. One of the point on the circle is 1 comma 4 or 3 comma 4. Radius is nothing but AQ or BQ. Now radius R is equal to AQ. Distance between the 2 points. Root over 2 minus 1 whole square means 1 plus 1, that is equal to root 2. Radius of this circle is root 2. If the center and radius are given, what is the equation of the circle? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to root 2 whole square means 2. Expand this value, we get the equation of the circle. Okay. Equation of the circle is over. Next, circumcircle of triangle PAB. Circumcircle of triangle PAB is nothing but, it is AB. AB is the chord of conduct. Here, P comma A comma B comma Q are concyclic and at the same time PQ is the diameter of this circumcircle. PQ is the diameter of this circumcircle. Very very important. By using the construction of the chords from external point, we proved already these values. Okay. PQ is the diameter endpoints of the circumcircle of triangle PAB. AQ, A means P means 2 comma 3, Q means 2 comma 5. If the diameter endpoints are given, what is the equation of the circle? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Okay. Circumcircle of triangle PAB is nothing but the circle whose diameter is PQ. P is 2 comma 3, Q is 2 comma 5. By using that value, find the circumcircle of triangle PAB. Suppose if you ask in this way, circumcenter, what is the circumcenter? Midpoint of PQ is the circumcenter of triangle PAB. Okay. Next question, area of triangle QAB. Q is nothing but this value, A is nothing but this, required area is this value. Please observe this point. Here the equation of AQ is x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Slope of this value is 1. Equation of BQ is x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Slope of this value is minus 1. M or M2 is equal to minus 1. That means the angle between these two lines is 90 degrees. That means it is right angle triangle. It is radius, of base into height. Half into root 2 into root 2. That means 1 square units. It is the right angle triangle. These two are known values. Find this angle. This is 90 degrees. That means this is base, this is height, of base and height. By using that formula, we find the area of triangle QAB. Okay. Triangle QAB area is equal to half into root 2 into root 2. That is equal to 1 square units. Okay. చూడండి ఇంకో 5 minutes చెప్పమని చెప్తాను లేదు సరిపోదని చూడండి ఒకసారి ఎంత అయిందో. If 4l square minus 5m square plus 6l plus 1 is equal to 0, then the line Lx plus My plus 1 is equal to 0 touches the circle dash. That means we find the equation of the circle. Now we find the equation of the circle. This line touches that circle. Say the circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Let us assume the equation of the circle is this value. The line, given line touches this circle. What is the condition? If the line touches the circle, we know that r is equal to or d is equal to r. Here center of the circle is minus g comma minus f and radius of the circle is root over g square plus f square minus c. Center of the circle minus g comma minus f, r is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. Since the line Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0 touches this line, that means since the line Lx plus My plus 1 is equal to 0 touches the circle, therefore r is equal to d. Radius is nothing but root over g square plus f square minus c is equal. D is nothing but mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. Right? Okay. Minus g means minus lg minus mf plus 1 by root over l square plus m square. That means root over g square plus f square minus c is equal to, what is the value of this value? Lg plus mf minus 1 by root over l square plus m square. Common minus value. Mod x is equal to mod minus x. Okay. By squaring on both sides we get, g square plus f square minus c, g square plus f square minus c is equal to Lg plus mf minus 1 whole square by L square plus M square. L square plus M square. Okay. That implies L square plus M square into G square plus F square minus C is equal to L square G square plus M square F square plus 1 minus 2LM into GF. Okay. Plus 2LM, 2AB, 2BC, 2CA minus 2LG minus 2MF. Okay, A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Here L square into G square means L square G square plus L square F square minus CL square minus M square G square, sorry, plus M square G square plus M square F square minus Cm square is equal to, here RHS values are L square G square plus M square F square plus 1 plus 2LM into GF minus 2LG minus 2MF minus 2MF. Or both sides L square G square cancelled. Next M square F square, M square F square, M square F square cancelled. Okay. Move these values to LHS side. That means L square into F square plus M square into G square, sorry, L square F square minus CL square. That means here L square is the common term. L square into F square minus C. Okay. L square F square minus CL square. Here common term is L square. Next M square G square minus CM square. Here M square is the common term. G square minus C. Okay. Next move these values to LHS side. 2GF into LM plus 2G into L plus 2F into M minus 1 is equal to 0. It is the equation number 1. But from the given, the relation between L and M is 4L square minus 5M square plus 6L plus 1 is equal to 0. These two are identical. Identical means a1 by a2 is equal b1 by b2 is equal c1 by c2. Here L square coefficient, m square coefficient ratio equal. But here Lm coefficient is 0. That means 2gf is equal 0. L coefficient is, by comparing these values, L square coefficient is f square minus c by 4. Okay, is equal to m square coefficient is g square minus c by minus 5 is equal to L coefficient is 2g by 6. Okay, f coefficient is 2f by 0, that means 0. Okay, next constant term is minus 1 by 1. Here the terms xy term is eliminated, that means gf is equal 0 and m coefficient is also 0. 2f is equal 0. By using this value, we get f is equal 0. Here f value is 0. Okay, by using this value, we find c value. Okay, 2g by 6 is equal to minus 1 means we get g value. 2g by minus 6 means here it is cancelled 3 times. G is equal to minus 3. First we get g is equal to minus 3. Next, f is equal to 0 means minus c by 4 is equal to minus 1. That means c is equal to 4. F is equal to 0, g is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 4. Substitute these values in the circle equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c is equal to 0. By using that, we find the equation of the circle. Okay, so required circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx means minus 6x plus 2fi means 0 plus 4 is equal to 0. It is the equation of the required circle. Okay, ఎంత వచ్చింది 5 వచ్చిందా